Locate the bulb you intend to replace. Remove the bolts by turning them counterclockwise.
The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Pry the housing away from the vehicle first, then pull it out.
This housing is going to kind of come off to the side of the vehicle, so you want to kind of grab here and pull towards the side like so.
Remove the bulb assembly by twisting it counterclockwise. Pull the bulb to remove it from the socket. Insert the new bulb into the socket. You should feel it click. Insert the bulb assembly into the lens and twist it clockwise to lock it.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
Replace the bolts by turning them clockwise.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.